Okay, can you say something about yourself?
Good day, sir, madam. My name is Catalina Polistico, 29 years of age, married, blessed with one child, 2 years old boy, and currently residing at the province of Davao del Hermoso, Negros Oriental.
Tell me about your working experience.
I work as a housemaid in Manila, Philippines for 2 years, and also I work in Cebu, Philippines as a service crew for 2 years also.
Okay, why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong because as much a higher salary so that I can help my family to provide their needs or to support needs, financial matter.
Okay, do you know how to take good care of newly born baby?
Yes, I know how to take care of baby by feeding them milk 3 to 4 hours, bath after feeding, change diaper, and also take medicine.
Okay, what will you do if your employer's baby crying for a long time?
I will check the diaper is wet, and also I will check if the baby is hungry.
Okay, can you sing simple children's song?
London Bridge are falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, falling down.
Okay, how would you handle a naughty child?
I would be very friendly and playful with them, and also I teach them how to love and care and write, then telling stories.
Okay, do you know how to take good care an elderly or a bedridden person?
Yes, I know to care an elderly person by helping them with their needs, like giving their food and medicine.
Okay, in Hong Kong, the maids do the marketing. Are you willing to do it?
Yes,
Do you know how to cook?
yes, I know Filipino food like sinigang, adobo, and also I know simple dishes, Chinese food like fried vegetables and soup.
Okay, are you willing to learn more?
Yes, I'm willing to learn more.
Can you operate electrical appliances?
Yes, I can operate electrical appliances like washing machine, oven, toaster, and microwave.
Your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household chores and at the same time taking good care of the whole family. So, how could you handle this kind of situation?
I will make sure that the employer servants are in safe place, putting into a crib or by giving them toys to play, and I will continue my work.
In case you found something like money inside the pocket while washing your employer's clothes or you found jewelry while cleaning the house, what will you do?
I will give it back to my employer.
Is it okay with you if your day off is during weekdays?
Yes, it's okay.
What if during your day off, then your employers ask you not to take your day off because they have something important to do? So what will you do?
I'm gonna take my day off and I will serve my employers together with their visitors.
Would you like to say something to a future employer?
Sir, madam, if you give me an opportunity to as a helper, I promise that I will work very hard, be obedient, trustworthy, and I finish my 2 years contract.
Are you willing to extend if they will ask?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.